Hi guys, and welcome to Super Metallurgy. Okay, so RWB basically is a grafted on kit which goes around the arches, as you can see here. They leave all these rivets all exposed, gives it that sort of industrial look. Big old aerofoil on the back, lots of carbon fibre work on this particular car. So it's got a 3.2 litre engine underneath here, which is the flat six, which you get on all Porsche. Then on the inside, it's getting a bit dark in here, but I'm hoping you can still see this. So you've got your normal 5-pack of gauges, the RWB wheel. This is a bit different in that the dashboard is all carbon fibre all the way through. So all the switchgear has then been inlaid back into the carbon fibre with the original knobs and switches. This has got the levelling suspension system that's down here. I hope you can see that. It's got a Porsche Becker sat-nav stereo. It's been signed on the dashboard by the actual chap that comes and fits the kits from Japan. Carbon door cards, Recaro seats, all trimmed in black leather with Alcantara centres, and then body colour on the back of these seats to match up with the bodywork of the car. And the back is pretty much standard in the rear of the car, as you would expect to see. Carbon door cards are beautiful, really, really lovely. Beautiful finish on them. Looks like pre-preg. It's not pre-preg, it's wet lay and then vacuumed, but perfect finish all the way through. You've got the door pulls in red, like on the RS, and then just your original window switches, and then obviously the kick panels from rail welt in stainless steel. That very solid, lovely door close up a 964. Got blacked out indicators on this particular car, and the deep dish wheels, which are kind of a take on the Fuchs alloy, but it's done for the rail welts. Headlamps, projector headlamps, which you don't see very often on these cars. And look at this finish, it's just mirror beautiful. And this particular car, if you can see this, is called Noah. So that's his name. So Noah is a work of art. That carbon fibre work, just stunning. Ready for a show. What a stunning machine.